Hello guys, welcome back to HCV videos. Today, you're not going to recognise this station unless you live here. Today, I'm at a very small stonehouse located on the Great Western Main Line. So today you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway, Great Western Railway and a few others. So yeah, let's get started here at Stonehouse Station. Okay, now arriving is this strange Great Western Railway service to London Gloucester. It calls it Gloucester only. It's formed of a HST. And the front of this train is 43186 as it pulls in slowly. The front of the train is already at the other end of the platform. That's how short the platforms are here. And as you see when this train departs. Okay, now departing is this Great Western Railway service to Gloucester with a nice wave from the guard. Oh, great, a nice refurbished Great Western Railway coach for that. Oh, and on the rear is 43185 in Intercity Swallow. There it is there, pulling away from Stonehouse. And that train's going to Gloucester from London Paddington. Okay guys, I just want to say the next train, which is a 2-car train to Swindon, I think. I'm going to Swindon. That'll be the last train you see, because as you can see, the next train on this platform isn't till 16:48, and the next train on that platform isn't till 16:29, and then you got service to London Paddington, which is at 17:30, and it's just there's like 30-minute gap here for train. And at Cheltenham there isn't. So yeah, this is gonna be the shortest video I've ever made. Fact. Okay, so see when the train does arrive and then departs. Okay, guys, 2 minutes. Okay, my passing through is a 150. Yeah, passing through. Or maybe stopping. It's going fast. Okay, yeah, this is stopping now. It's 150-263 on the service to Swindon. So I'll see you on this train of parts. Okay, the train that's now leaving. Okay, this driver's giving me it's creeping me out. And Maria, it's the same 15261 with a creepy driver because he came in 2 minutes early and left like 50 seconds after. And the guard hadn't even locked the door before he started revving up. So, whoever that driver is, identity is unknown. So, as I said, that will be the last train that you'll see here at Swindon. Today I was driving with my mum. And if you're wondering where my brother is, he's in my car, which is right over there. So yeah, see you in the next video, which will be at somewhere, she says. Somewhere. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye.